I wish to everyone. Now let us discuss about the main concept, that is accounting. Accounting is the part B of our commerce subject. Accounting part B is consists of total 50 marks. Under the 50 marks, each and every section is having the separate considerable marks in our part B. Now let us know the some of the main objectives in our subject accounting. First of all, we have to know the main concept in our accounting, that is business. Now we have to discuss about the concept business. Business is nothing but it is a purpose to start to gain the profit and to minimize the losses. And what is the meaning of business is nothing but it is an buying and selling of goods and service to the customers and to satisfy them. Why the business organizations are want to satisfy the customer is nothing but to improve the sales. If the business can improve the sales, customer can buy the number of products. If the customer can buy the number of products about the company products in the marketing area, automatically profit will be raising to the business organization. That was the only the reason business can satisfy the customer needs and wants, because of each and every business organization is always stand up on customer needs and wants. If the customer is not satisfied the company products, business products, marketing products, organization products, whatever may be the process of the one of the institution to the customer, if the customer is not satisfied, the company is automatically collapse in the marketing area or in the society. So that is the main reason business is going to start to satisfy the customer needs and wants in a particular session. After that, or automatically company can get the profits. Not only company, business, organizations, charitable institutions and other trademarking business organization. That is the concept. Again, I am reviewing the concept of the business. Business is nothing but it is a part of buying and selling of goods and service to the customers and to satisfy them. After that, company, business, organizations or other institution can get the profit and loss. How? And also we have to divide the business in two concepts. And the first concept is profitable and non-profitable organizations. Let us discuss about the two concepts of business. First one is profitable business, second one is non-profitable business. Profitable business is nothing but which part of business are going to start to get the profit in the marketing area. That type of organizations are called profitable business. How the business organization can get the profit in their business organization is nothing but after evaluating valuable money term transaction in the business organization. Not only evaluating the financial transactions in the business to get the profit, it will always depends on the amount which is expended by the business to get in terms of return in the future. That is the concept of business is a part of profitable organization, and business is also part of a non-profitable organization. Non-profitable organization is nothing but this is also called as a part of business, but this non-profitable organization should not get any profit in the marketing area or in the society. It will just create the value to the business in the society, as well as non-profitable organization can get the mutual understanding in the social organization, as well as non-profitable organizations are always depends on trusteeship in the society. If the non-profitable organizations are not get the trusteeship in the society, it will be called as a profitable organization. Which type of organizations are to start is a service oriented business, that is called as non-profitable organization. Profitable organization is nothing but gaining purpose. Non-profitable is nothing but service oriented. This is the example. Gaining purpose, it is a part of profit or loss. Non-profitable is nothing but it is a service oriented. And we have to know the second objective in the accounting, that is profit and losses. Profit is nothing but it is a main intentional idea to start a profitable organization. Without having a profitable organization to start, it will be called as a non-profitable. Whenever we are going to start any small scale of industry, small scale of business, small scale of single ownership in our small streets, it will be depends on the owner of the transaction. Owner of the transaction is nothing but if I want to do any money term transaction, definitely I have a mental intention to get the profit whenever I am going to expend in our social organization. That is nothing but profit. And loss is nothing but without estimating the present and future along with the past. Based on past information, we will do some of the transaction present. Our present transactions are giving the profit and loss in our future. That is the concept loss. Again, I am giving the concept. Profit is nothing but it will always depends on a intentional idea to get the profit, while any person is going to expect any rupee of transaction. And loss is nothing but without estimating the past information, without considering the present information, not knowing the future, always we will get the loss. Again, I am clearly explaining the loss. Loss is always depends on previous section of the financial transaction. Based on the previous section financial transaction, we can identify the present. Based on our present situation, we have to know future, that may be positive impact or negative impact. These are the most important concept in our accounting subject, that is profit and loss. And again, we have to know how the business organizations are get the profit and loss is nothing but it will evaluating financial and non-financial transactions. So let us know again, profit and loss account is divided into two type of transaction. Means how we have to know the profit, how we have to know the losses. Both are divided into two transactions, that is evaluating financial transactions, and second one is non-financial transactions. Financial transaction is nothing but which type of transaction having a in terms of money. Each and every money term transaction will get the returns in our present or in our future. That is nothing but financial transactions. Non-financial transaction is nothing but it is also a part of money term transaction, but the money term transaction will not get any profit in present or in future. It is a service oriented transactions. It is a profitable transaction. That is the clear definition about the financial and non-financial transactions. Again, I am clearly giving the both definitions to the financial and non-financial. Financial transaction is nothing but which type of transactions are having a profitable oriented transaction to the business, and non-financial transaction is called as a profitable transaction to the business, but it will not get the money, it will get only value to the business and trusteeship in the society. That is nothing but financial and non-financial transactions. And third one, and the most important, it is not in the most important to the accounting subject, it is the primary function and it is the main most important object in our accounting, that is financial records or bookkeeping. Let us discuss about the same concepts, financial record and bookkeeping. Both words are same, but the bookkeeping we are discussing in our accounting subject. Bookkeeping is referred by the Carter. He is the author of bookkeeping definition, and the financial record is generally referred by the accountant. Financial record in the accounting is referred by the accountant. Bookkeeping is the terminology of accounting which is referred by the author of the accounting person, and the person name is Carter. According to the financial record consists of all financial and non-financial transactions, or it is also called as profitable transactions and non-profitable transactions. Based on profitable and non-profitable transaction, we have to enter in our financial records. After the financial records, each and every transaction will be converting into the bookkeeping of the business. After knowing the financial records in the financial stage, each and every transaction will be converted into bookkeeping. After converting each and every transaction from financial record to bookkeeping, each and every transaction must be maintained a systematical order in the books of business. If you are not able to find any transaction on particular date, we are the losing person in our business organization about the future profit and loss. If we want to know the company perfect position in our present day, definitely we have to maintain each and every transaction in a systematical order with the help of day-wise transactions. So whenever we are going to enter any transaction in bookkeeping, The voucher is not only voucher, bill, receipt. Both are the same documents which is explaining about the investigation and verification of the transaction in the bookkeeping. Without having any bill to the transaction we don't want to enter into our bookkeeping. Just the transaction is called as a not validation of the business. Which type of transaction are always having the receipts, voucher, bills, then we have to enter that type of transaction in bookkeeping. If the transaction is not having any bill, voucher or receipt, that transaction is called as a not validation transaction. Those transactions are not creating any value to the business. Just without having receipt transactions are creating losses to the business in our future. Only the valuable voucher transactions are creating the profitable zone to the business. Those transactions only we have to enter in our bookkeeping concept. The next session we are going to discuss about the main concept, that is our second part of commerce, accounting. It is the most important concept. In our part B, definitely we will get 10, 5 or 2 marks question in our final exams. Again I am giving the marks of business, it consider 2 marks question. Profit and loss, this is also 2 marks question. Bookkeeping, it is the most important question, definitely we will get 2 marks.